Alright, this video is just for showing how to make custom linked wires, spark plug wires. I'm not going to say the brand name because I think that's copyright, but anyway, just going to take a razor blade. I've already figured out how long I want the wire. We'll just put it right here. We'll just roll the wire. I'm not going to go all the way through it. You can feel it. Just take and roll it around. And then we'll take and cut it about an inch further than what it's supposed to be. And you just pull this off, and the center core should be left. That's a little long, so I'm gonna snip it a little bit. Now, these wires are not double crimped, they're single crimped, so you need to roll this back like that on the crimp. These are single crimps. It's not a double crimp. Double crimp would have a crimp right here, and you would crimp it to the centerpiece, but this one's not. So these come a little expanded out, like this is the way it came, and this is the way I did it. Squish it in a little bit, just with your hands. You squish it in, and you want to roll this back, and you put this on the bottom down here, just like that. You just want to push it all the way on till it gets to the end right here. So it should be just barely hanging out of the back. Then you're going to take these pliers. I got them from Jegs. They're made for all types of different crimps, cut, strippers, the whole 9 yards. We're going to use these for this. These ones right here. You take them. This goes on the top like that. You want to make sure that that piece goes in the middle. You want to make sure that that goes down in between right here. These two pieces go down in between that. And you're just going to take kind of like that, and you just crimp it. And there it is. It's crimped. Tight. Your center core is in the back, touching this. And then you're going to take just a little bit of grease. I don't know what they call for, but a little grease ain't going to hurt none. You just take it, put it in your boot, just a little bit. Don't like gob it in there, just enough to start it, and then take a little grease on here. And you're just going to take your boot, you want this part up, so it'll be like this when it gets in there. And you just take and wiggle it in there, and push it all the way down until you see the end of it in there. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, there it is. All the way down in there. And that's it.